Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Candy brand washing machine and you're getting an E07. So what is this error and how to get rid of it? So the thing is with the E07 error is that they have different models and they use this error for different things on different models. So it could really mean one of two things. The first thing that it could mean is that there's a problem with the door lock. The door is failing to lock properly, or it's sensing some kind of fault there. So how do you want to do to fix that? The number one way to fix that is just to get in there and make sure there's nothing physically preventing the door lock from locking. So and if you might even find some lint or something in there that looks like that's stopping it from working properly. If it's not that, it could also be behind it here. There could be something wrong with the wiring. But at that point you might want to just call somebody for help. And the same thing is with the second issue. So when the motor fails to turn or it's like jammed or something like that, it can also throw up this E07 error. And again, if that's the situation, you're probably better off just calling a technician, because it's not really localized whether that's in the motor or with the electronics and stuff like that. But anyways, so the main thing, the easiest thing to do to try to get rid of the E07 is to make sure that the door lock is functioning properly. So anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.